In this particular video, I will be explaining you certain keys with the help of which we will be able to move from one cell to another cell. The first is control keys. Now, what are control keys? Are arrow buttons are called as control keys. So, if I'm just clicking the right arrow, when I'm clicking on the right arrow, you will be able to see that the cell or the movement is towards the right hand side. Similarly, if I'm clicking over here, the movement will be towards the left hand side. Like this, we are having certain up and down arrow keys also. So when I'm pressing up and down keys also, you will be able to see the up movement as well as the down movement over there. So what is the next option that we are going to try? The next option that we are going to try is tab. When I'm clicking on the tab button, see what happens. Again, we are able to navigate from one particular cell to another cell. The next it is shift and tab. Since the tab button is not present over here, I require to do it with the help of the keyboard. So just focus on the shift and tab. What you are able to see with the help of shift and tab, one more time, shift and tab. The cells start moving towards the left hand side one by one. Now, the next it is enter key. With the help of enter key, we are able to see that the cell is moving in the downward direction. Then we are having CTRL home. Again, CTRL and home. What you are able to see, I'm clicking anywhere over here. When I'm pressing control and home, it directly moves towards the first cell of the sheet. That is, it moves towards A1. Moving ahead, we are having page down. When I'm pressing page down, exactly one screen it is able to move down. Focus on the numbers over here. I'm pressing page up. So the numbers over here you are able to see it is from 1 to 23 or 22. Now when I'm moving down, it will again move 22, then 43, then 64, then 85, then 106. That means you will be able to see exactly that particular numbers which are being fitted onto a screen. Now I'm pressing page up. With the help of page up, the screen scrolls at the top again. Now, the next option that we will be trying is I'm pressing a hold button, I'm pressing a shift, and I'll be able to show it over here with the help of virtual keyboard. I'm pressing just shift and I'm pressing this particular keys. Again, press shift and I'm pressing these keys. So what happens over here? The range of the cells are selected. So by pressing shift and the arrow up, down or left, right, we are able to select a range of the series. Then we are having control and A. With the help of control A, one more time, control and A. As soon as I'm pressing control A, the entire worksheet will be selected. So in this manner, we will be able to navigate from one particular cell to another cell, or at the top of the screen or at the bottom of the screen.